and welcome to Need2Know. Are you looking to make money by promoting products through affiliate marketing? If so, YouTube is the perfect platform for you. If you're interested in becoming a successful affiliate marketer, you know what a powerful tool the internet can be for driving traffic and making sales. YouTube is one of the most popular websites in the world, and leveraging it can help you get your affiliate products out there. With billions of active users worldwide, YouTube is a great way to reach a large audience and make sales. But you can't just create any type of video and expect to have success. You need to know how to use YouTube for affiliate marketing, and this video will provide you with all the information you need. Before we reveal all the information, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and smash the bell icon to stay up to date with all our content. With that said, let's begin. Before we dive deep into how to use YouTube for affiliate marketing, let's quickly discuss what it is and how it works. We know most of you will already know what affiliate marketing is, but in case you don't, here's a brief overview. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an individual or organization promotes the products of another company and earns a commission from any sales they generate. On YouTube, affiliates create videos about their chosen product and link to the product's landing page in the description. You must be thinking, why should you use YouTube for affiliate marketing? Well, there are several reasons why. First of all, as we mentioned before, it has a large user base and is one of the most visited websites in the world. Additionally, YouTube videos rank higher on Google, so you have better chances of getting your video to the top of search engine results pages. Moreover, we've seen that YouTube videos tend to engage viewers more than other forms of content. People are more likely to watch a video, click on the link in the description, and make a purchase if they find it interesting and informative. Nowadays, less people are interested in reading long articles, so videos that help explain complex topics in a few minutes are in demand. So this gives you a better chance of getting traffic and making sales from your affiliate links. All you need to do is create compelling content that will engage your audience. Now let's discuss the strategy for using YouTube for affiliate marketing. Here are the steps that you need to take. Step 1. Pick a niche. Believe me when we say selecting the right niche can mean the difference between success and failure. Choose a niche that is either related to your existing website or ties in with something that you're passionate about. Make sure there's enough interest in the topic to warrant a YouTube channel, as well as enough competition so that it won't be too difficult for you to stand out from the crowd. It could be anything from fashion to fitness, beauty to baking, or gaming to gardening. Just make sure there's enough of a passionate audience out there and products to promote. Step 2. Research keywords related to your niche. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to start researching keywords related to your topic. Utilizing the right keywords is essential to making sure that your content ranks on YouTube and other search engines. Doing keyword research may seem like a tedious task, but it doesn't have to be. Use tools such as Google's Keyword Planner and YouTube's autocomplete search feature to get started. This will help you generate a list of relevant keywords for your niche, which will be invaluable when creating content. Step 3. Create engaging and informative videos about your chosen topic. The next step is to start creating engaging and informative videos about your chosen topic. Keep in mind that the key to successful affiliate marketing on YouTube is providing valuable content that viewers can use and appreciate. Focus on making educational videos related to your niche, such as tutorials, product reviews, or even unboxing videos. Try to keep each video between 5 to 10 minutes in length so that viewers don't lose interest. Spend first few weeks or even months creating content before you start spreading your affiliate links. This will help build trust with the viewers and establish your reputation as an authority in your niche. That's where most of the high-value conversions will come in. People will never buy something they don't trust, so keep in mind that providing quality content is key. Step 4. Add links to products or services you're promoting in your videos. Now that you've created your content, it's time to start adding affiliate links to your videos. This is where the money starts rolling in. People will now be able to click on the link and purchase the product or service you're promoting, earning you a commission in the process. Make sure that your links are clearly visible in your videos, either by adding them as annotations or having them appear at the end of the video. You can also include a link to your affiliate products in your video descriptions. This is a great way to drive traffic and increase conversions. Do remember that you should always be transparent with your viewers and let them know that you are sharing an affiliate link, where you will receive a commission at no cost to them if they click through and make a purchase. Step 5. Promote your videos. Once you've created your content and added affiliate links, it's time to start promoting your videos on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. You can also use video search engine optimization or SEO techniques to optimize your video for search engine results. It's important to be consistent when promoting your videos. Keep in mind that the more views and likes you get, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate links. Also, don't forget to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. This will help build up your audience, making it easier for you to monetize your videos in the future. Step 6. Monitor your performance. Now it doesn't end there. It's important to keep an eye on your performance and monitor how well your videos are performing. Keep track of how many views, likes, comments, shares, and conversions you're getting from each video. This will help you determine which videos are more successful than others and give you insight into what kind of content resonates with your audience. Use this information to create more of the content that your viewers are interested in, and don't forget to add new affiliate links as you continue to grow your channel. Step 7. Continue to create new content. As you get more comfortable with creating and promoting videos, keep pushing yourself to create new and better content. Try experimenting with different types of videos or adding new topics to your channel. The key is to stay consistent and keep creating quality content that viewers will appreciate. Once you find a formula for success, stick with it and keep growing your channel. The more content you create, the more likely it is that people will click on your affiliate links and make purchases, earning you a commission in the process. Remember to always abide by YouTube's terms of service when using affiliate links for marketing purposes. Violating the terms could lead to suspension or termination of your account, so make sure that you read the rules carefully before getting started. We hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to use YouTube for affiliate marketing. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be well on your way to making money with YouTube. Remember to be patient, consistent, and creative, and you'll eventually see success. Best of luck. Do come back and let us know in the comments how you got on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.